Today I will show you how to play FIFA Mobile with your friends. The first thing you will have to do is to click this button here. So now you have to add your friend. So click here in this button, then click here and write the name of your friend. When you do that, click continue. Then find your friend in the list and click add friend. Now you have to ask him to accept you in this letter here. Tell him to accept you, and then when you click here, he will appear in this list. What you have to do now is check if he is online, a green dot, then click match here if this button is blue, and you will be able to play with your friend, alright? So leave a like, subscribe, and see you later.